Hey guys, today we are at Little Bradley Falls. This is near Saluda, North Carolina. The last time I was here, I got lost. So hopefully I can make it straight to the falls this time. So here we go, let's check it out. Here we are at the Double Red. And so this is the wrong way. So we're gonna go down here and cross the river. I am back to where the trail splits. We actually came across several people who did miss this. So again, I cannot tell you enough. When you see this at Double Blaze, be sure to go this river section, not continuing down this trail. We are almost back to the trailhead. This has been such an amazing hike. And this time I did not get lost. I am gonna put, I can't remember which side, a link to my original video where I did get lost and I went to the dead end. So be sure to check that out. And again, the waterfall is beautiful. And that's it. As always, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.